So I had a dilemma. Only a few days left in Vietnam. Got to make space in the luggage. Do I keep my shoes or do I ditch it? Do you want to experience, explore and travel Vietnam from the comfort of your home? Click subscribe, join our tribe. I know the ones from Han Market are certainly going in the bid, but on the costs, I wasn't ready to give them up. So we've come down to the street corner in Hanoi, in the Old Quarter. Gentleman's going to clean my shoes. We'll see how they come up, see if they're good to keep. You going to have yours done too, Tash?
Yep. See if we can save these.
There we go, all done and looking almost brand new. I think the only thing I really need to do is get a new set of laces if I can find that colour. But look at that, that's awesome. These are definitely coming with us now. Into the luggage they go. I might even wear them on the plane, who knows. But what an awesome, what a save. That's 9-10 months of walking around Vietnam. Haven't been cleaned once. He's got them all spick span shiny. Awesome, awesome fella. So now you've seen the end result of mine, Tash. You're feeling a bit more confident we can save yours?
I tell you what, if he can save those shoes, I will be eternally grateful because they're only just a year old and they have been absolutely thrashed here. So fingers crossed, I really hope we can because I'm not ready to get rid of them yet.
Okay, now we've certainly set a challenge. So I've asked him if he thinks he can do my riding boots. You've seen the conditions we've been riding in. Check these boots out. They again was 50-50 whether I'd take them with us or not. I wasn't sure that the likes of MAF in New Zealand or the Agricultural Protection Customs area in Australia would even let us through the airport with them in the state they were in, all the mud and dirt. So he reckons he can do it. We'll find out. A challenge. That's a big challenge. What do you think, Tash? How do they look?
They're looking pretty good. They're also looking pretty wet. I have no idea whether I'm going to be able to wear them or not.
Happy?
I am happy. It's got very wet feet, but I'm happy.
It's still pretty wet, so it makes it look pretty dark, but man, I'm not seeing any mud on them at all. I'm really, really impressed. I'm stoked because I wanted to keep these. These are an awesome street boot. So I wanted to take them home and keep using them. I'm stoked. They've come up awesome. We'll take another look when they dry out, show you how they ended up, but so far so good. Got our shoes clean, 150,000 dong for all 3 pair. That was with the boots in there, which would have taken a lot more scrubbing. So sorted. We'll go home, dry them out, see how they end up. I got a craving. I got a craving for beer, but not just any beer. I want cheap, local beer. You keen?
I don't mind cheap as long as it's not nasty.
No. This will be sweet. Let's do it. So here we are at Hoi An's Beer Corner, where we believe has to be Hoi An's cheapest beer. If you like cheap beer, smash that like button, give it a big thumbs up.
So what Leon's talking about is Bia Hoi, which is a locally made beer, and it's usually made from rice. It is served straight out of a pressurized keg into a glass on the side of the road, and it'll only cost you 5,000 dong. If you know where we can find a cheaper beer than that in Hanoi, make sure you hit us up in the comments below.
Okay, so you're probably wondering, what does a 5,000 dong beer taste like? Well, I can tell you honestly, because I've had a few of them now, that it's actually really good. It's pretty light in taste. It is made from rice, so the problem you have is you can drink a lot of them. Will it hurt in the morning? Not sure yet, I guess we'll find out. But what do you think, Tash?
For somebody that doesn't like a lot of beer, this is really easy to drink. It's light, it's refreshing, it's dangerous really. But what I love most about this beer is we've been here for about 20 minutes and we've already made new friends from Germany, USA, Canada and Vietnam.
There's two important points you got to know about Beer Corner. The first one is ignore Google Maps. If you throw Beer Corner in there, it's going to send you to the old Beer Corner. The influx of tourists there now has seen the prices double, if not triple. You'll pay more there for a beer than you would at a pub around the corner. Skip it. Where we are now is the new unofficial Beer Corner. Rather than try and explain where it is, we'll put this pin on the map. And if you still don't quite get that, make sure you check out the blog on our website. Tash will give you a better breakdown on where to find it.
The second important point goes back to what Leon was saying about the unofficial beer corner. If you do get here and you do sit at your little tiny table enjoying your cheap beer and suddenly the owner tells you to stand up and starts whipping the tables and chairs away, don't panic. It's no stress. Just blend in with the crowd, enjoy your beer, have a laugh, and give it 5 minutes for the cops to roll by. Those tables and chairs will come back in no time and it'll be business as usual. Well, that's enough of cheap beers.
Totally worth it. Totally recommend it. You get yourself a $5,000 beer.